Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some food signs.
BSL, keyword sign, fruit. Let's try fruit. One more, fruit. BSL, keyword sign, vegetable. Let's try vegetable. One more, vegetable. BSL, keyword sign, banana. Let's try banana. One more, banana.
You're doing great.
BSL, keyword sign, strawberry. Let's try strawberry. One more, strawberry. BSL, keyword sign, grapes. Let's try grapes. One more, grapes. BSL, keyword sign, tomato. Let's try tomato. One more, tomato. BSL, keyword sign, carrot. Let's try carrot. One more, carrot.
Fantastic
BSL,
work.
keyword sign, potato. Let's try potato. One more, potato. BSL, keyword sign, eat. Let's try eat. One more, eat. BSL, keyword sign, drink. Let's try drink. One more, drink.
Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together.
Fruit. One more, fruit. Vegetable. One more, vegetable. Banana. One more, banana. Strawberry. One more, strawberry. Grapes. One more, grapes. Tomato. One more, tomato. Carrot. One more, carrot.
You're doing great.
Potato. One more, potato. Eat. One more, eat. Drink. One more, drink.
Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady.
Fruit. Vegetable. Banana. Strawberry. Grapes. Tomato. Carrot. Potato. Eat. Drink.
Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.